Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to Global Public School online classes. In our previous class we studied about the Indian sociologist. We talked about a great hero, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who actually said that economic freedom is useless unless you have the social freedom. He said education is the only way that you can change the things, change the people mentality. So he is the one who talked about education's importance. Let's study today about the different sociologists of India in our class. Let's go to it. So the first person coming up after Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Bruhe, here it is, M.N. Srinivas. This person is internationally renowned Indian sociologist. He is popularized field based on the sociological studies in India. The main importance about this person is his memory. Based on his memory, he wrote a very nice book, and he was actually great in his memory of the field work which is being done by him. And he also wrote one book, A Remembered Village, in 1976. And in which he has returned each and every moment which he had spent in that village in a very detailed manner, the way the people used to get harassed and the way people need to get their rights, all that he has talked about in his book. He wrote a book titled after that, The Religion and the Society of Kodavas of South India, in the year 1952. And some of the great importance what he has done is, his full name was Mysore Narasimhachar Srinivas, and he was born on November 16, 1916 at Mysore. The major contributions towards the Indian society what he has given is The Religion and the Society of Kodavas of South India 1952, The Indian Villages, The Social Change in the Modern India 1966, and The Remembered Village in the year 1976 is the greatest contribution which he has given towards our Indian society. The next person coming up here is C. Parvathamma. So this lady is a prominent contemporary sociologist, especially from our state Karnataka. She was born at Siagalli village of present, it's in Davangere now, but initially it used to be called as the Siagalli village, which is actually there in Davangere district. Then the taluk of Chitradurga at that point of time. In June 1928 she born. She grew up in a difficult situation with a lot of determination, with a lot of discrimination which she used to face, but later with her determination she became one of the leading sociologists of India because of the kind of thoughts and the mentality which she had. She made a genuine attempt to spread the learning of sociology across Karnataka, and she proves her commitment and the social sense in her concerns what she has done towards the sociology. And the major contributions of Parvathamma is The Politics and the Religion, which the book which she has written, sociological essays, especially she is the one who talked about the essay writing in the sociological essays on Veerashaivism, and also the studies on socio-economic status of the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes is being clearly mentioned in her writings. The next person coming up here is Iravati Karve. You can also pronounce her name as Iravati Karve as well. She is a recognized prominent sociologist of India. She was a student of G.S. Bruhe. We talked about the second sociologist, right? Sadashiva Bruhe. So this lady is a student of Mr. Bruhe. She had her MA from Bombay University and worked at Pune College as a professor. And the greatest important contributions what she has given is the kinship and organization in India. And she's talked about her Indian society in detail, and the institutions and the relationships of the institutions towards the Indian society, and also how Indians can be educated, how the life of the Indians can be changed. All that it's been clearly explained in her writings. The next person coming up here is A.R. Desai. This person is a very important person and a very great sociologist of India. His full name is Akshay Ramlal Desai, and he was born on 1915. He worked as a UGC National Fellow and as a head of the Department of Sociology of Bombay University. He was the following of the Marxist ideology in his sociological studies. He was identified as a Marxist sociologist. Please do remember, students, this can be a definite question for your full mark for your final exam as well. Who is actually marked as a Marxist sociologist? It's none other than A.R. Desai, Akshay Ramlal Desai. His sociological background of Indian nationalism work is the best work which he has done, and the great contributions of Mr. A.R. Desai is the Indian rural sociology and the slums and the urbanization. He has explained in a very detailed way and a very simple language what is about the differentiation between the slums and how the urbanization is creating a drastical change in the Indian society. All that he has explained in his writing. That's all about the sociology lesson, students. I want you to read this lesson, revise this lesson. If you have any doubts, please reach out to me through a Google Classroom app. And I want you to write this explanatory notes in your notes and share it with me through the Google Classroom app. In our next class, I'm going to share the notes of this lesson to you. Till that, students, I want you to stay safe, stay home, and keep your learning button on. Maybe you're at home, but your learning should never stop. Make sure you're keeping your learning button on, students. Thank you so much, student. Allah Hafiz. Be safe.